I'm Frank Jobins, telling you what's happening around the world. Innoson Motors 2024 current price list. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Co. Limited, commonly shortened to IVM, is a Nigerian automobile manufacturer headquartered in Anambra, Nigeria. It was founded by Chief Innocent Chukwuma Nwala. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing is nicknamed Pride of African Roads. According to the company, 70% of its car parts are produced locally, while the rest are sourced from Japan, China, and Germany. This is the new estimated Innoson car prices for 2024. Number 1 is IVM G80 Bulletproof Luxury SUV. Price, 54 million naira. The Innoson IVM G80, a mid-size four-wheel drive luxury SUV, is the first made in Nigeria vehicle to be used as official vehicle by any Nigerian state governor. Governors in Nigeria are known for riding vehicles made by brands like Lexus, Mercedes, Land Rover, Range Rover and Toyota Land Cruiser as official vehicles. The locally made armored IVM G80 replaces a 2014 bulletproof Toyota Land Cruiser SUV used by Governor. Number 2 is IVM City Bus 6115. Price, 55 million naira. The IVM City Bus was showcased to the world in early 2022, making it the first locally made CNG vehicle in Nigeria. Innoson was the first to achieve this medium of what is attainable in most countries in the world. It gave a glimpse into the future of not only environmentally friendly vehicles and how they can become a reality in the Nigerian sector, but also the possibility of locally manufactured electric cars. Number 3 is IVM Ijele. Price, 42 million naira. The essence of culture is not static, but a fluid force that evolves over time, adapting and blossoming as it meets the future. Innoson Vehicles, ever conscious of this dynamic, has weaved this cultural fabric into the creation of our vehicles. We are proud to introduce you to our latest embodiment of this ethos in our new commercial for the Innoson Ijele pickup. Drawing inspiration from the rich heritage of the Igboland, the Ijele pickup pays tribute to the revered masquerade, a grand spectacle that has commanded respect, awe, and celebration for centuries. The Ijele masquerade is an emblem of ancestral spirit, an enduring legacy passed down through generations. Our new commercial brings this ancestral spirit to life, framing it within the context of modern ingenuity. Number 4 is Innoson G5T. Price, 38 million naira. Innoson Motors has unveiled a new SUV to its growing lineup called the IVM G5T, a welcome to the fleets as their current lineup has started to age. The G5T is a small-sized SUV and most likely a 5-seater model. The engine, displacement and transmission have remained unknown. We suspect that it will be powered by either a 1.6 or 2.0 litre, which is obviously a 4-cylinder power plant. The exterior is modern with daytime running lights and powerful tail lights. The interior is spacious as it features a 12-inch infotainment screen with the seats wrapped in leather for extra comfort. The entire dashboard oozes class as it's something Innoson should be proud of. Number 5 is IVM Kappa, the Indomitable. Price, 25 million naira. IVM Kappa is a modern MPV that comes in two variants, standard and executive. It is designed to provide comfort and strength you need to make your driving a wonderful experience. It has a well-suitable seating and storage space you need for an up-country journey. Explore, experience and enjoy the Indomitable IVM Kappa. The engine capacity is 2.4L Mitsubishi petrol engine. Number 6 is IVM Siriki. Price, 25 million naira. Whatever kind of service required, the IVM Siriki is ever ready to serve with an economical and practical design, large and flexible interior space, fashionable and a brilliant style, efficient power, easy to drive, high fuel economy, powerful engine, reliable safety, comfortable driving experience. It comes in two variant passenger and cargo. Front headlight. Eagle-eye diamond headlights are unique and brilliant, well matched with the overall style. The light cover with diamond-like material and high reflection material makes stronger light radiation. Number 7 is Innoson G80, price 23 million naira. Unlike any SUV on the street, the IVM G80 owns the road. With its superb blend of advanced technology, bold styling and powerful performance, the self-confident appearance of the IVM G80 stands out in the crowd. This dynamic and luxurious SUV has a superior combination of steering response, driving comfort, sophistication and performance that are both efficient and enthusiastic. Innoson G80, IVM G80, stands out for its awesome mix of advanced technology, bold styling and powerful performance. Thanks to this car, Nigeria proves that it's capable of producing a luxurious and dynamic SUV that combines perfectly steering response, driving comfort and performance. Number 8 is the IVM Granite. Price 20 million naira. The IVM Granite offers buyers more than just the garnish of luxury. It covers all of the bases with solid performance, a sturdy build and thoughtful design features that ensure a successful and comfortable drive across all terrains. If you are serious about lifting the big stuff and looking good while at it, the IVM Granite has everything you need to hit the trail. Innoson 5-seater double-cabin pickup fully armoured IVM Granite diesel with 6 AT. Number 9 is Innoson G12 series. Price 18 million naira. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Limited, Nnewi, Anambra State has broken fresh grounds in fulfillment of its vision to keep producing vehicles that satisfy the various needs of Nigeria's diverse market without compromising quality and affordability. This time, the foremost indigenous auto plant has designed and built IVM G12 series, a special-purpose range of off-road light trucks for the use of the military and related organizations. The Nigerian Army is now operating an unspecified number of locally built Innoson IVM G12 series special-purpose vehicles, SPVs, that were handed over to Chief of Army. Number 10 is IVM Ikenga. Price 9 million naira. Ikenga is the perfect choice for private individuals with more than 5 family members and can also be used for taxi, both short and long distance transportation. With about 7-seater capacity, Ikenga has 2 variants, automatic and manual. With a lot more in features, safety and practicality compared to older versions of other IVM cars. Ikenga comes with user-friendly features, such as a 3D view dashboard and a DVD display screen, which were made to brighten up your everyday life. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. I'm Frank, thank you for watching.